Hello and welcome back to tazwells12. You're on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and I am the host, who is Tara. Today's video is going to be a car boot sale haul. Little bargains are in this bag ready to show you, but before I show you anything, I just want to go through the nitty gritty stuff first, which is if you like the video, the products, anything I brought bargain wise, then let me know by giving it a thumbs up, because then it tells me that you guys want to see more, that you like them, other people will like it and other people will see it. So definitely don't forget to give the thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to tazwells12 too, that would be absolutely great. You can hit the subscribe button up on my main page and that will join you to the little YouTube love family, and also hit the bell notification too, because that'll let you know when I've uploaded a new video. So that'd be great if you could join. Please comment down below if you like anything in the video or you would like to give me some advice, then definitely comment down below. I will always 100% comment to you and like your comment as well. The video is weirdly not sponsored by any of the brands, because there's a couple of brands that I do normally sometimes get. It's not sponsored by any brands at all. It's just what I found at a car boot sale, an advice video, and that is it basically. Good little bargains. Check out my other social medias, which is 2 on Instagram. You have tazwells12 and then you have tazwells12 home. Check, like, follow, comment wherever you'd like to do, please, that'd be great. Now we will get into the Andover car boot sale haul. The first item is this, I'll take it this side, this little pot. So I saw this on a woman's stall. She had literally everything labelled up, which is quite good if you think, because then you know what you're paying straight away. You can just give them the money and everything like that. So if you know what you're getting, it's easier. I saw this, and why I got this was because of this little tiny spoon. So the whole lot was 50p with the spoon. So basically this is a little metal spoon. It's been used a little bit, but it doesn't matter. And it's like a ceramic little design teapot. My grand's actually got me some of these. I've already got 2 downstairs, and this was a different design. So this is why I basically paid 50p. Unfortunately, she only had this one, but I thought the pot was like really cute as well. So it's just got like little roses on with its little lid, with like a scallop design around the edge. It's really nice. So I've kept it together because it's quite a nice little theme, and this is always good to like put sugar in, or maybe jam, I thought, because it's quite a big pot for sugar. I thought maybe jam, because you'll have scones, because what I get these bits for is basically mainly I try and do like afternoon teas here, so if we have scones and sandwiches, so this is always good just to have maybe the jam inside. It was only 50p and I thought that was really nice start. Then the next one was this little cup. I know I shouldn't be buying any more cups, I bought quite a few, but when you see a cup that you really like, you're like, I cannot go not for a bargain, because this was quite a bargain. So it was only 50p, but I love the design, and I know these designs can be like in card shops and everything like that, and it's quite expensive. Just like this little ribbed cup, and it has this little saying on with this little heart, and then at the bottom it's just a nice design cup, very white and creamy, and then it just says East of India down the bottom. Have a little look at that as well. And then on the cup it says, "You are my sunshine, my only sunshine, you make me happy when skies are grey." And I've actually seen these in shops and like card shops, but the sayings on them have been like, "Oh, you're my best friend," or "You're my lover," or something like this, when I thought this was quite an all-rounder little cup. And like I said, it was 50p. I could not resist, because I've seen stuff like this, like coasters and everything at car boot sales. And yeah, I had to grab the cup. But if I find another one, I might grab that too. But yeah, like that for 50p. There's a story behind this little item. Basically, little bead bits, they come off, I need to stick them on. So basically they're like little, I can't remember the stuff what they're called, but they're little balls and they're meant to like look like berries, and then it's just like a nice little wreath for Christmas. So I saw this in a bag of like loads of like Christmas bits, and I was only just going to buy this because I've seen these in like garden centres, and I've got a couple of bits like this plastic bits, garden centres and everything. And what you do is get a candle, so you put that on your table, and then you get a candle to sit in the middle, and it's definitely big enough for a candle to sit in. So a nice, like, it can be just one just wax, or it can be in a glass jar, but that's why I was going to buy this. And then the woman said to my mum afterwards, when we were looking in it, she was like, oh, it's 50p for the whole bag. So my mum was like, well, I'll just pay 50p and we'll just grab the whole bag, because there might be some other bits in there. And there was some other little dinky bits. I don't know if I took actually pictures of them, but there was other little dinky bits in there, so that was really good. And there's stuff that we can either put to another car boot sale or we can get rid of. So yeah, really happy that, and I will definitely be using that at Christmas. So I don't really know the price of it all because we paid 50p for the whole bag. This is like, this buy is one of my good buys, because when I saw them I was like, oh, I know where they're from. I think they're from B&M. I don't think they're from Home Bargains. I think they're from B&M, and I've definitely seen them in a set. But when I saw them I was like, I need to have them. So it's 4 ceramic coasters that really nice. So all grey colours, which definitely sits in this theme. But I love things like this because I know they're going to be decent and they will last for a long time. You get this one, this design. This is kind of a darky grey. And you get another one with a nice star design, very dark grey. And then you get 2 light ones, a lighter grey, and then another sort of darky grey. And I think these people had enough of like people coming up to them and saying, how much do you want for that? And then they'd tell them a price, and then literally they were like, no, bag them down, which is always really disappointing at a car boot sale when you're trying to sell your stuff that you've paid quite a little bit of money to, and then people are getting you further down. So say like, if she wanted £2 for these, they might have said, oh, do you want to take £1 or 50p? So I think she just got fed up at the time we got there. I had them on there on the stall like this, and I said, how much do you want them for? And I think she was with her mum, and her mum went £1, and then the girl went 50p. To be fair, I would have paid one of them prices because I know that these are at least £4 to £6 in B&M. I will definitely have a look because I know that they were in there last time, so I will look on the website and see they are. But 50p for like 4 ceramic coasters are a really good price, and I really like these. Off this stall I got 2 items literally for £1, which is really good because he had like a mat on the floor. Then he just put like, when we came up to the store, he was like literally 50p for all the items on the mat. And what I saw first was this, and I really wanted another teapot because I bought one off of like Facebook Market. It's got like a chip and stuff on it, and it's in the shape of a house. If I ever see one of them again at a car boot sale, I might buy it if it's in better condition, depending on the price and everything. But I wanted another one because I didn't have enough when we had an afternoon tea last time, so I had to like borrow my mum's. So I thought, I'm looking out for specific ones, but I thought, you know what, get this one because it was pretty nice, it's pretty in good condition. And I thought, you know what, I quite like the design. It's not totally what I would go for, but it will do if we have like afternoon tea and I don't have to borrow any of it. It's just this design with this like flower design, and with it's like silver, a bit of green, pinky, and a silver on the top. So you've got silver on there, silver handle, and silver on the bottom. It's a little bit dirty inside, so I definitely got to give it a clean. It's already got like a filter bit in there, which is really good because then this bit here will filter any muck, and if the tea bag bursts or anything, it'll filter it out before it goes in your tea. And then if I take the lid off at the bottom, I'm going to have a little look at this one too. you don't know if you can see it, it says Fox and Ivy, exclusively for Tesco's. And I know Fox and Ivy was quite popular at one point in Tesco's, and they did have some really, really nice stuff, but it was really expensive for Tesco's. So I don't know if this is something that's still going. I don't know how long they've had this teapot. So again, I will try and hunt down on Tesco's website to see how much it is, but literally I paid 50p and I thought that was really good for that. Also on this mat I had a look because I thought, you know what, it's always good to look, and I spotted this and I thought, oh, this looks good, I'll try it out. If it's not my cup of tea or I don't know how to use it or whatever, you know what, just try it for 50p. It's a salter, or I can't really pronounce this name, salter, I think it's S-A-L-T-E-R, and it's like a kitchen weigh thing. You can see all my marks on it. I've got to clean it, I've got to clean everything. Basically, if you're weighing out scales and stuff like that, it's an electronic one, and it's definitely working, I think it is, or it's saying that it's got low battery, but it's got a units bit down here and it's got an on zero bit here. So I'm guessing what it is like you put it to 0 and then you weigh it all in one bowl. I think you can do with that. I don't really know. I need to have a little look. It's saying it's the max of 5 kg or a certain amount on the back. It's battery operated, so I might put some new batteries in it. But I thought 50p, that's really good. Then funny enough, I was looking on the George Asda website, like you do, and funny, I found this. It was it's in the sale now. It was originally £15, and on the Asda website it's on sale for £9, exactly the same one. There you go. So always look on that mat or that box or that place like with 50p, because you can get some gems. Like 50p and I saved £8.50. Not that I was going to buy it for £8.50, but I've definitely got a bargain here. Slot in like pictures of it showing you. My last item was such a bargain. I wasn't originally going to go for these. I saw them and I was like, I'm not quite sure how high they are, but I thought, you know what, I've never bought a pair of shoes from a car boot sale. And we looked at the bottom, a woman said, I've only worn them a couple of times. So we were like, okay. And I've actually wore these out actually, and I've ruined them a little bit, but never mind. And it is these shoes. They look pretty much, I only wore them once. And it was like these newlook shoes. Can't really see that they're newlook. It's really hard to see. So it says newlook here. There you go, newlook. I love a good sandal heel with a big chunky heel. I don't like them with the little tiny heels now. Not into that at all. These are like a creamy beige, and the woman said she literally had only wear them like 2 or 3 times when she was on holiday. So I was like, well, how much do you want for them? They were hardly anything on the bottom. They've got really mucky because of me. That is disgusting, isn't it? I'm going to have to give them quite a good clean because I walked in mud and everything when I went out. But hey ho, I can give them a good clean. But she only wanted like £3. So there was a bit on one of them. I think it was this one that it was like, it was coming unstuck. So I stuck it with some super glue. But I noticed like, that was me that did that bit. That ripped that little bit off. I don't know how I did it. It must have been my feet was like rubbing on it. Come apart here, but that's fine. I can stick it with some super glue and a bit down here. It's absolutely fine. I just stuck it with some super glue and it worked like a treat. So I can do that again. But she only wanted £3 these, and they are actually downright comfortable. I've got newlook shoes before, sandal ones, and I really like them at the moment. So to get another pair for like £3, I was really happy with them. That has unfortunately come to the end of the Andover car boot sale haul. If you liked any of the items in there, please let me know by giving it a massive thumbs up. There were some really good items that I got for a really good price. I'm going to do a bit of the research, like I said, and try and find the things that I obviously got for a bargain, but there's more on a website or anything like that. Really happy with what I got. Wasn't the best of day. Normally we can come home with like bags and bags of stuff. I will also put in two my mum got, because she got some really good items that day, so I definitely will slot them in because I filmed them on that day that we got them. I just do that now because I think it's better for you to see what she got, so I will slot that bits in now. Mum got some ceramic knobs with nice metal design, 20p. Got a pencil case just to put her pens in for work, 20p. Got a nice broach, which was a poppy, and that was 50p. She got some just Primark t-shirts. They're a size 20, a nice blue one, 50p, and then an orange one, which is an old school atmosphere one, which is Primark, size 18, 50p. Some bath mats that are both grey, like the bobble design, there's the other one, and these are both from Tesco, if I can find the label. Oh, there you go, Tesco. And she paid £3 for both of them. She got a little camping picnic table that folds up. This was the bargain of the day, and this was £3, and it works, all in great condition. It's pretty much brand new as well. Got a lovely cathkidston bag, which is a massive bag, and it's got a lovely like pink flower design with this blue, and it's got like a magnetic bit at the front, a zip bit at the top. Looks pretty much brand new, and paid a £5 for that. Brand new dark green cardigan, which is really in this colour with these turquoise buttons. Really nice material, brand new, and it says on the label plus forest green button font cardigan, size 20, and it's got Bravesoul London, but it does have like tags from prettylittlething, and that was £2. Now you have seen what she got, which she got some really good bargains. Really love the cathkidston bag. A little bit jealous that she got that, and that would be a really good like travel bag for holiday, so I might keep my eyes out peeled for my own little bag from cathkidston, because that design is just perfect. But I hope that you liked the video. Like I said, if you did, give it a massive thumbs up, then you can tell me what you like and other people can see it, so yeah, don't forget to do that. Click on the subscribe button, loads more of these to come. I try and go to a car boot sale every single weekend, but it might not be uploaded for that weekend, but also I might not find anything, so if I don't, then I normally scramble him into a couple of car boot sales, but if I can get a decent amount, I will definitely show you. So there's more to come of these. There's more charity shop ones, hauls from every different places, so yeah, makeup ones, skincare, so need to check out the channel and subscribe, like I said, and hit the bell notification. Comment down below if you like anything, and I'll 100% comment back to you and like your comments every single time. The video is weirdly not sponsored by any of the brands I did mention. It's just what I found at car boot sale for you, and it's a advice video. That is all, and it's no sponsored. Check out my other social medias too on Instagram. Check, like, follow, comment, whatever you like to do, please. That'd be great. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. Have a lovely day or lovely evening, and I'll see you soon, guys.